I thank you for sensitizing me towards the issue. Sometimes when it is, we just look at these issues as pass-byers, you just pass and then you go until it really bangs onto you and then you are a part of it. Today, while reading all these posters and all, somehow it hit me bad and I started reflecting on myself. Not that we haven't seen accidents of our near and dear ones, but when it, once it's over, then we get over it and then we are again back committing the same mistakes all over again. From today, as a commissioner, I'm just talking to you out of my mind, and very true to myself and from my heart. And I would say that if each one of us sees something going wrong somewhere as we walk, as we talk, just keep your eyes open. And it may be in any sphere. It may be somebody not using the zebra crossing. Be alert and tell that person, please use the zebra crossing. If somebody you see not wearing a helmet, please stop them. It is your duty as an Indian national, as a citizen of India, to tell others to do what is right.
गोवा केनाक सभासद आणि मुखार सरून बिल्डिंगां खातीर कितें तरी लोकांक पाहिजे अवेरनेस हाका लागून ताणें सुरू केला. आनी एज अ पुलीसमॅन ट्रॅफीक सद्या हांव पळयतां डिवायसपी. सो हांव सगळ्या कडेन मागतां की एक्सिडेंट कमी करपाक तांणी सगळे ऑथॉरिटीज मदत करची. एज आवर मॅडम सेड, जोशी मॅडम, की खंय कितें वायलेशन दिसलें की इट्स अ रायट ऑफ सिटीजन की पॉयंट आवट करचें. सो कोणी रॉंग करता जाल्यार तें दाखोवन दिवचें, जावं ऑथॉरिटीक ताणी धाडचें. वी आर देर.
The World Day of Remembrance for Road Traffic Victims. Today being a Tuesday, normally this day is observed on a Sunday, but to get maximum public participation, we have chosen to hold it today, and we are here for the full day in this municipal garden. The World Day of Remembrance for Road Traffic Victims has now been accepted as an international day by the United Nations.